It's a 2010 Honda CR-V. Check out this CR-V's fuel efficiency numbers, safety measures, and cargo capacity, and you'll be glad to drive it for the long haul. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, AM/FM satellite radio, dual zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, external memory control, power sliding and tilting sunroof, 8-way driver's seat control, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Consumer Guide explains it's not the most powerful compact SUV, but CR-V excels for its just right blend of comfort, refinement, and cargo versatility. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
One stop, family shop. Think Thayer. Come on, let's get rolling. Come on, let's get moving. Think Thayer.